Manufacturing is changing fast. Production demands are rising. Skilled labor is harder to find, and the equipment you rely on is being asked to do more than ever before. You know automation is part of the solution, but modernizing can feel risky, disruptive, or out of reach. It doesn't have to be. At Concept Systems, our mission is simple: apply technology to solve industrial automation problems for our customers. For more than 25 years, we've helped manufacturers modernize with intention, building on what works, upgrading what doesn't, and designing systems that last. From control systems upgrades and process automation to robotics, safety, and full system integration, our engineers meet you where you are and help you move forward with confidence. We believe automation shouldn't replace people, it should empower them. That means safer operations, more reliable systems, better data, and solutions designed around your goals, not unnecessary complexity. Every project is purposeful, scalable, and built for long-term success. Manufacturers across North America trust Concept Systems to solve their toughest automation challenges, not by delivering the biggest solution, but the right one. When you're ready to move beyond maintenance and start building what's next, we're ready to help. Concept Systems, engineering what's next. Reach out today to discuss your automation needs.